We've had two instances where we were like, okay, we've got money set aside and we are going to buy a house. Something crazy has always happened right when we are looking at a house. My husband got laid off from a job and we were right in the middle of looking for a house then. So it was like, nope, you can't buy a house when you're laid off. And then the second time, we were both essential workers during shutdown. My husband was working as a contractor, as a safety coordinator inside of Dow Chemical. Really good job, loved his job. It was kind of one of those moments where we were making bank. We were doing good. It was nice. We could kind of relax, and we had insurance for the first time, and things were wonderful. We had a savings account. We had money. We had our down payment for our house, found a house that we really, really wanted, knew that there were a lot of offers on this house. And so we rearranged things and we were like, we are going to make it happen. Things are good. We put in an offer on the house and weren't even considered. We went $15,000 over asking and weren't even considered. And it was heartbreaking and devastating, absolutely devastating. We thought for sure we were like, we've got this. And we weren't even considered for it. And then it ended up being a blessing that they didn't accept our offer, because 2 days later he was laid off from his safety job and never called back. We lost our insurance. We lost our major form of source of income. And it was difficult.